Welcome back to the FP&A Automation series. Today, we're exploring the exec-level view of the bonus pool dashboard, highlighting how Power Automate simplifies approvals. Now that the CEO, Elizabeth White, has already allocated the overall bonus pool, we'll select Matthew Jackson, one of the execs, which in practice would be automatically managed by row-level security. Matthew's task is to allocate his available pool to top management and assign bonuses to his 5 direct reports. To do so, he can access the Allocate Funds section with a single click, all powered by Power Apps. First, we will quickly distribute funds to Matthew's top management pools, just as Elizabeth did for the execs. And then, we'll focus on the more detailed task, Direct Report Bonus Distribution. Here, Matthew adjusts bonuses based on performance. For most reports, the bonuses match the funded amount, but Joshua Anderson, who significantly exceeded expectations, will receive a higher bonus. This triggers an approval request, requiring Matthew to quickly add a justification before submitting. Next, we move to the Details tab to view the approval tracking screen and check the status of Matthew's submissions. Here, we can see all of Matthew's direct reports and their information. By selecting Joshua Anderson, whose submission is the only one requiring an approval, we can see a summary of his profile as well as the approval progress tracker for his bonus allocation. Since Matthew is an exec, all levels except the final CEO review are auto-approved. This request is now pending Elizabeth White's final approval. While we've been reviewing this screen, Power Automate has already sent the approval request to Elizabeth. Let's open her email and approve it. The approval request comes directly in Elizabeth's inbox, listing all of the information needed for her to approve or reject the submission without having to leave her inbox. As she clicks the Approve button and enters her comment, the status is instantly updated in real time in both the Approver Tracker and the Distributions log, all thanks to Dataverse. Stay tuned for more videos showcasing the integrated power of Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Automate. In the next video, we'll explore change features within the model, such as role changes and custom pool creation. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest videos. For more information or to get in touch, visit our website at urtmsolutions.com.